most important trend is the what we call single source of truth. Because today, literally every organization, it doesn't matter what industry you come from, financial services, pharma, business doesn't have a clear visibility of the information, of what's happening out there, or what they need to do, what decisions they can make. And this is one of the most emerging in terms of the function point of view, single source of truth. The information is all over the place. It's so siloed, so mostly transactional. Business is not able to gauge what that means to them. So-called big data, so-called data lakes, what I call data swamps, doesn't give them the real information. Everything, how do we bring it to one place in the cloud, and so that this information can be analyzed with the help of the business, because the business knows what they want, so that we can give them the experience through this data, connecting them so that they can feel, okay, this is the right information, now I can make the decision, which is very important for them to make their operations effective. The innovation can come to go to market very quickly. So in order to do that, you got to have a really simplified business function or problem they have, and how do you create the end-to-end workflow and everybody work together. So just in general, every company, the biggest functions are demand and supply. How do we know what the demand is we have on a most proactive basis? Same time, what kind of supply we have? That single source of truth will make it a very efficient business operations, and most important is all the stakeholders will be extremely happy. AI ML is another very important technology perspective, but the algorithms there for many years. But unfortunately, they could never apply these algorithms into the real time in terms of the information. The important thing is to create a single source of truth, then apply the appropriate algorithms, which will give you better predictions in the real time. Based on that single source of truth, you can now create very innovative technologies like blockchain. That will give another thing end-to-end, very disciplined way of creating the blockchain. The blockchain applications, again, goes to a lot of areas in the enterprise world, including crypto. The overall enterprise level, in terms of bringing it together, both the financial side or at the business function level, everything coming together. Most important thing is auditable, traceable, and a compliance perspective, and also whether you can believe the real information. The most important is that brings the speed. So these are the technologies now really evolving. Within that, you also have these certain industries, whole IoT, so that is another very important piece, because the information coming in the real time. The robotics is another one which really creates a lot of things automated in terms of the customer interactions, employee interactions. Many of those things can be not just messaging, but they can really interact with the physically in all aspects of it. So these are the kind of things, from single source up to the AI, ML, blockchain, robotics, IoT. All these are part of the digital business, will really make a lot of difference for the enterprises.